Frank Frederickson, street maintenance supervisor for the City of McKinney Street Department. We recently purchased the asphalt zipper, and what that does, it allows us to repair the roads in record time. We have less haul off. We actually recycle the material that we're zipping and use it for a base material, and we use less flex base that way. The conventional method would be to come in and rip out the road, and we would have to haul off the old chunks of asphalt to the landfill, or we would have to get a contractor in with a milling machine, and then we're subject to their schedule. We'll come in, we'll do a street segment from like intersection to intersection, and we'll come in and zip it. We'll smooth out the material that we have in place and compact it. So the main benefit, it's cost savings. So you're using less tax dollars. The next main benefit is it's less time. We're cutting down what used to take sometimes 2 weeks. We're doing in no more than 5 days. The guys love it. It saves them labor and time. So, anything we can do to make the process better and more productive, we're all in on that. For more information on the street department, check out the city's website.